Good morning, friends. Welcome on this our ninth episode of Super Achiever. We already covered 8 Super Achiever in our show in last 2 months or so. Today we have Lokesh Pokarna, our Super Achiever. We will hear struggle story, success story from him, and we have a panel. We have our guest, C. Nan Kishore Hegde sir, Central Council member of ICI. Uh, Always inspiring to youngsters and guiding to your youngsters in the each and every aspect of the profession, and awesome speaker as well on the direct taxes and other areas. We have a Vikas Jain sir from Ahmedabad, our regional council member from Ahmedabad. We welcome you, sir, on this our show. Would like to now request our co-host CA Vishal Bhai Gala to brief about Lokesh Bhai story to all our panelists and all our attendees. So over to you, Vishal Bhai.
Thank you, Viraj Shah. First of all, I would like to welcome CA Nankishore Hegde sir and CA Vikas Jain sir for sparing the time with us. I would also like to welcome CA Lokesh Pokarna. We will exhaustively discuss his story from his birth till his achievements, his struggles, his failures, his achievements, and everything. So to just summarize his story, he was born as a normal kid. At the age of 6, while playing with friends, he lost his vision. We would also know from him how he started with CA because he did not have any background about CA. There was a phase we will discuss with him where he was about to quit CA, but somehow he again restarted with his CA journey. Now he's a successful corporate employee working with various, he has worked with various manufacturing companies and now working with renowned banks. So before we start the journey, we would like to request CA Nankishore Hegde sir, and then we would also like to hear from Vikas Jain sir some words of appreciation for our today's super achiever. So CA Nankishore sir, over to you, sir.
Thank you, Vishal. Thank you, Virag Bhai, Lokesh ji, and CA Vikas Jain, and all other members of the audience for this webinar. First of all, a very good morning to you and a very bright Sunday. I must first of all, I think, compliment Virag for having started this Super Achiever series. And I think it is extremely helpful and extremely needed because, you know, if there is anything in this younger generation and among the millennials, as we call them, that is required, it is, I think, lessons on how not to get disappointed and how to face adversity and challenges. Because whilst all of you, and I'm sure a lot of millennials must be listening, a lot of you are very dynamic. You are not as we were in the old guard, where you're only used to a particular set of things. You look at a completely fresh approach. You look at new ideas. Liberalization has also helped you to fashion dynamic thinking. But if there is anything in one major problem that I have, and that includes my children as well, I think this is this problem that this generation is an instant gratification generation, that they want success for everything. Even if you see at Facebook and Instagram, you always keep watching the likes that you get for every small act that you perform or you do or things like that. So I think this generation must realize that it is never always hunky dory. If there is good times in life, there are going to be difficult times, or difficult times, there are going to be good times. So I think that is a very important lesson to be learned. And I think, especially in this context when we are facing challenging times, difficult times, and mental health of people is seriously under threat, where people are facing threats. And you see even a more popular film star and even the most popular actress, people thought that why would she actually suffer from depression? But the point is that everybody of us are facing some challenges, and I think it is in that context that I would really compliment Virag for having out for this Super Achiever series, because it does show the caliber of the people who are there on the webinar and who narrate their own stories. And I think the best lessons, I would say. It is very easy to talk about and to read about these things in WhatsApp and in quotes. But when you hear the experiences of our guests, I think that is the most gratifying. I'll take a couple of more minutes. In fact, I did ask Virag why I was there as a chief guest. and I have nothing really to share with my audience. I am a very ordinary person, but people like Lokesh should be considered as the chief guest, because they are really the super achievers who have turned every adversity into an opportunity, and I salute such people. People like me, and we have nothing really notable to very often to comment upon, except the fact that we are strong academically. There is a very important quote that I had once come across, and I liked it a lot, which says that prosperity tests the fortunate. So if there is prosperity tests the fortunate, but adversity tests the great. And as you can see with all the speakers who have come before you, when there is adversity, they have really lifted themselves and achieved greatness. And I think, what can I say about Lokesh? I did hear from Vishal and the brief resume that was given about his struggles. I think at a time when it would have been so easy to complain and say, why me? When everybody else is so much better off. And that is the thought which often comes on our mind, that why me? But I think he accepted whatever was the challenge, and I think he has proved that every adversity can be created and turned into an opportunity. Before you accuse me of taking the valuable time where you want to listen to the speaker, I will shut up now and request and hand it back over to Vishal. I'm sure you will have a great time listening to Lokesh. And Lokesh, thank you so much. You are really the pride of our profession. Thank you so much, Lokesh, and thank you, Virag, once again for organizing this. Back to you, Vishal.
Thank you, sir. So now we would like to hear from Vikas Jain, sir. Few words of appreciation.
Before that, Vikas bhai start, I just want to tell you thank you to Nand Kishore sir for joining and the words of appreciation. And here just want to mention that Vikas bhai knows the Lokesh bhai from last many years, since he was in Ahmedabad, and Vikas bhai also at the Ahmedabad as a chairman of the branch and other committee member at that time. And sir, Vikas bhai is very close to Lokesh bhai and is known to journey also, and other success story and struggle and the achievement of the Lokesh. So now would like to request Vikas bhai to unmute yourself, and you can say a few words about the appreciation for Lokesh.
So Vikash, before Virag, it is very fortunate because I also have a link to Ahmedabad. I have done my entire schooling in Ahmedabad, and therefore I'm very proud of Ahmedabad and its residents. So thank you for making this connect happen. Thank you, Vikash.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Virag bhai, and I must compliment you for this wonderful series that you have initiated. And our honorable Central Council member, most learned and one of the most humble Central Council member I have ever seen, Hegde Saab. Very good morning to you, sir. Vishal bhai, Lokesh bhai, again, a very good friend of mine, and we have been knowing each other for so many years now. But to be very frank, he is so humble that I have never been to this story. I have never been knowing this part of the story, though we have met many times and we are on regular contact over the phone and all these things. But that is the beauty of our profession, that there are so many hidden gems, and we never come across, we come across each other, but we never come across the what they have gone through to achieve this particular feat. So friends, so this compliment goes to you, Virag bhai, because you have done this wonderful stuff. You are bringing out all such stories and uncovering them. And this is not only important from the person's viewpoint who has achieved this, but this is very important from the others. As sir rightly said, that this is a tough time. People are going through depression, lot of this mental illnesses, and everything is going all around. So these are the rays of hopes that will give new life to so many people, and we must all. And I firmly believe that when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. And so we should not give up. We should give our best, and ultimately. And today morning only I read a story, one beautiful story, that अगर एक पानी को गर्म किया जाता है तो it is 212 degree, उसके बाद वो उसका boiling point आता है, and then it gets converted into steam, और steam से फिर वो engines भी चलती है, बहुत सारे machines चलती है. But you never know when the 212 degree is going to be reached. So अगर 211 डिग्री पे पहुंच के अगर हम रुक जाएंगे तो ना वो steam बनेगी और ना कुछ. So we should keep on trying our best, keep on giving our best, because you never know that is the 210th degree or 11th degree or 12th degree. कई बार होता है कि we are so near yet so far. 211 डिग्री पे पहुंच के अगर हम रुक जाते हैं, and we will lose whatever we have done, all the hard work. So we should give our best consistently. We should keep on putting our effort, and वो 212 डिग्री पहुंचते ही बस the life will be changed. So with these brief words, Lokesh bhai, great to hear about this, and I would now love to hear the story from your side. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Over to you, Vishal bhai. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vikalji. So now we can hear a story from the direct our super achiever Lokesh bhai. Lokesh bhai would like to request you first to speak something for whatever told about you, your words of appreciation from Nankishore sir and Vikas sir. So over to you, Lokesh bhai.
Thank you, Virat bhai, Vishal bhai, and respected Vikas sir and Kishore sir. I'm really happy to hear from such dignitaries. And first of all, I congratulate Virat sir and Vishal sir for such a beautiful work which they are going to continue since last couple of years. I just came to know about his work and all these things just a few time back where one of my friend has contacted me and told me about this. Uh, as rightly said by Vikas sir, that there is some point which has to come in your life. Then after the things can materialize. जैसा 200 डिग्री 212 डिग्री का बात किया सर ने, इट इज एग्जैक्टली ट्रू. वो पॉइंट पे आना जरूरी है. उसके लिए आपको एटलीस्ट you have to be prepared for that. Preparation है अगर आपका और हार्ड वर्क है, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन रीच एट सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. जो पॉइंट पे पहुंचना है उसके बाद यू कैन लीव ऑन गॉड आल्सो दैट द लक कैन मटेरियलाइज विथ यू. दैट विल हैपन. So with these words, Virat bhai.
Thank you, Lokesh bhai. So now I would like to ask about your childhood. कहाँ पे आपका जन्म हुआ, कहाँ पे आप पढ़ाई की और कहाँ से आपका ये डिफिकल्टी स्टार्ट हुआ था बेसिकली?
Yeah, we'll talk about this. Firstly, I would like to say that you have quoted and kept the name as super achiever. Rightly, it would be a very much right definition for many people that they would be super achiever, because but what I found, one of the word which is Atmanirbhar, you have quoted, and that I loved so much, because being a self-dependent in this world is so much important. And now I will talk about my background and the childhood. I born in a small village in Chittorgarh district of Rajasthan. The village is so small that still the population of that village is around 6 to 7,000, and I don't remember any CA that who has done CA in front of me, or just in last 10 to 20 years. I have not seen any CA. But yes, definitely some of the oldest CAs from my hometown who work in Mumbai and at a very prestigious organization. So, but I was never aware about till the class of 12th about what is CA and uh, how a work of CA goes in the world. But one of the and my family is not that much highly educated. Even all the people are in only doing business, and they are not even my past generation, which is my father's and his brothers, they are not studied too much. So the background and the surrounding conditions was like that. The education part would not be was not always on my mind. I just had a plan to do graduation and to continue whatever business we had at that time at my hometown. After this was the plan, this was the situation of till class 12. But what happened with me is one incident which is by which I lost my vision. Uh, at the age of 6, I remember I was playing with my friends in neighborhood, and at that time, what happened that you might be aware that there are Ramayans and Mahabharat was playing at that time on old television, and especially on DD, I think. So people like old age and everyone was watching this, including me. So the craze was so high, and जो जो तीर और कमान का जो वहाँ युद्ध रहता है, from that particular point, what happened that we were in one of the evening we were playing in our neighborhood. One of the person has made a tir kaman by use of wooden from kites. Then what happened? It was a game of only 1 second. That particular arrow he has thrown directly went into my eye, right side eye. So immediately my eyes were closed. Somehow, because my house was just within the vicinity of 70 to 80 meters.
लाउडर, थोड़ा सा और जोर से बोलिए.
Yeah, my house was just within vicinity of 70 to 80 meters. So somehow I went to my home and I told what happened with me to my family members. So they immediately took me to to nearby hospital. Then went to Ajmer. Then we went to Ahmedabad. But बहुत देर हो चुका था. Doctors told that vision तो अभी नहीं आ सकता. As of now कोई treatment available नहीं है. And he has to live with one eye. So how the things in a 1 second can change your entire life. This was the I mean the value of 1 second I can ever remember in my life. So
Lokesh, you are a normal person since childhood, and after that 6 years, I mean, you are playing with so many your friends and other friends and like that. Never you have thought why me kind of at that time कि ये मुझे ही क्यों हुआ. मतलब बहुत सारे लोग खेल रहे थे, उनको किसी को नहीं हुआ. वो जो तीर भी लगा आपको, जो काइट से बना हुआ था, पतंग की जो धनुष बनाया था कोई एक इंसान ने, वो आपको ही लगा. ऐसा कभी आपको लगा कि वाई मी? और अभी आज आपको देख रहे हो एज अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट और एज अ सक्सेसफुल चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट इन द कॉर्पोरेट जॉब इन द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. तो आपको कभी ऐसा लगा आज की डेट में, और तभी क्या मतलब फर्क लग रहा है आपको?
If I frankly and truly say, I never felt this kind of thing कि मेरे साथ ही क्यों हुआ in my entire life till the age of 18 years, 18 and 19. But what happened when I was doing my CA course, that time I faced so many other problems along with this also. This problem has pushed me down because of accumulation of other problems. At that time I felt कि ये सब मेरे साथ ही क्यों हुआ. So otherwise I never felt I have this problem. I have why this has happened with me. But during this 3 to 4 years of articleship period, I would precisely say that particularly 2 last years, at that time I felt this kind of things or thoughts in my mind.
क्योंकि आपका मतलब मल्टीपल अटेम्प्ट भी लग रहा था. हम सीए जर्नी के पे आएंगे, लेकिन हाउ यू मैनेज योर स्कूल टाइम? Because at the age of 6 you are a normal person, and after that you are started studying in the first year itself, first standard. So how you manage that first to 10th standard, and how you decide to choose the commerce selection? Can you tell us about that? You have studied from the normal school, or how it will be?
Yeah, I studied till my class 12th in Hindi medium regular school in Rajasthan, and the schooling was just a normal. I was a good student till class 8, and after that, what happened? I was engaged in my own business also along with till the between the period of class 9 to 12. So I was running my business. I was studying at that time also. So the marks were not that much good, but study was going along with my business. So I never felt, I never had time to think about all those things, and it was quite normal till even the class 12.
So you are from you told you are from a normal family background. It's not like that everyone is educated. So how many siblings you have, and what they are studying or what they are doing at present? आपके भाई बहन और वो सारे लोग अभी क्या कर रहे हैं, और आई थिंक आपने ये भी बताया कि सबसे ज्यादा आप ही पढ़े लिखे हो. सो व्हाट इज दैट स्ट्रेंथ यू, ये स्ट्रेंथ आपको कहाँ से आई कि आपको पढ़ना है, या आप मतलब सबसे ज्यादा पढ़ रहे हो आपकी पूरे फैमिली में?
This particular incident, I mean the entire outcome, I would relate to one of the incident because what happened after class 12, I earlier told that I just had a plan to do graduation and to continue the whatever we are doing business in my hometown. But what happened? One of my maternal uncle, who is a government teacher, I am very thankful to him, ever in my life. Who he was really aware about the CA course because from his hometown itself, one of the person has got all India rank, two or three persons cleared CA. They were working in good companies. So that kind of scenario he has seen, and he was also the teacher in government school. So he has filled my form because he knew that he can do. So at that point of time, after class 12, he has filled my CPT form. I was never aware even about what is CPT as well. So, uh, what happened that I cleared CPT in my first attempt. After that, I was totally engaged in CA, and I came to know what is CA, how it works, how they work, what is the scope. So that has took me in that particular that different world from my previous life.
Right, right. So when you have joined the CA course, what is your experience regarding articleship? So most of the CA student is finding difficult that articleship period. How you have managed despite of all your difficulties to
I
going to
would
audits
say
and checks of accounts and all other works?
I would say it was equally difficult for me as well because I had to travel daily 80 kilometers, 40 up and 40 down from my hometown to Chittor. So the firm was good. It was not renowned firm of Chittorgarh. Around 10 partners even there. So firm was good. The main experience was in audit and taxation, and but I would say it was a very hectic schedule because you have to travel from 7 a.m. Then you are going to reach 7:30 at home. So after that, you can understand what kind of energy will be left. And uh, during articleship, I would say that I came to know and meet with many senior CAs who has guided, who has mentored us what we can do, what in what manner we have to do. So that was, I mean the experience was difficult, but it was taking to and making us understand what we have to do. So so both the things were there, and I really admire that.
Virag bhai, I would like to interrupt in between.
Please, please.
Couple of things, Lokesh bhai. First of all, if you can keep your mic a bit closer to yourself, and yeah, you told that initially you were into some business, and then you came to journey of CA. So if you can please tell the audience what business you were into and what made you change your mind to get into this CA noble profession. So can you please talk about that as well?
Yeah, I was doing business of ration and kirana items. I had my own store at my vacant place of my outside my home. I started this business in 2000. I think it was when I cleared my class 8. It was 2004. So at that time, particular point of time, I started this business because I wanted to be self-dependent from that age only. So I started this business. I continued it class 12th. I had my savings from that business. I used this saving in till the I used this saving in all my expenditures till I cleared my PCC, and uh, uh, this kind of things were there, and the mind which taken me to CA because it was, I told you that suddenly CA happened to me. It was not pre-planned, it was not decided, it was not at all uh, have a thought in my mind that I'm going to pursue CA. It happened suddenly when I entered the world of CA. Then all the things are coming into my mind, and then I concretely thought that I have to do this.
So when you look back into your the business which you were carrying, and obviously as we have named it, True Atmanirbhar. So this proves that till I like PCC at that point you have borne all the expense of the studies or like on or, yourself. So when you look back your CA journey and your business which you had done, so what is the thought process which runs into your mind?
Thought process was very much simple. I have to put extra effort. So I after clearing my 12th, I didn't continue that business. Uh, I was totally focused on CA course, and because the time was also not available, I had to run from 7 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. So that there was no time for to continue the business along with studies what I was earlier doing. Because I at that time I was in hometown and studying there also, there itself. But in CA, what happened? The things has totally changed, which didn't allow me to do business. But I had make up the mind that now if I have left the business, I have to continue with CA, and I will try my best to continue the CA course, and rest see what will happen, because all was hidden in future.
So if we talk about your parents' role or support in all these decisions, from starting your business to quitting it to starting with CA, so what was their
Yeah,
role in this? Like how was their input in this?
I mean, I'm not. I mean, it's really uncomfortable to say, but I mean, support was really good from my mother's side, but my father was not that much comfortable. He has always scolded me that once I failed in my PCC exam, he told me too much, and at that point of time, even I thought that I should discontinue CA, and I filled my form after the PCC exam and gave it to my boss that I'm not willing to continue my CA course now. And what happened that I cleared the second group, which was the only remaining group in my third attempt of PCC. So I mean, that kind of extremely low levels also I have seen, because at that particular point of time, other problems were so much there also, along with the along with the thought that if I am continuing with CA, then should I continue with business, because राजस्थान के लोग हैं तो हमारे साथ ये लोग को तो ये बात चलती रहती है कि हम बिजनेस भी है तो बिजनेस को कर लें या सीए को कंटिन्यू करें, वो माइंड में बहुत आता रहता था। तो ये एक उलझन बहुत बड़ी थी उस समय पे, बट लकीली आई क्लियर्ड इट एंड आई कंटिन्यूड आफ्टर दैट।
Lokesh ji, many people give up at this point. What kept you motivated? Like how did you self motivate या फिर किसी outsider ने आपको motivate किया? How did you overcome all these situations is the crux now.
Uh, one thing I would like to really quote, uh, in PCC, it was totally the grace of God that I cleared it in second attempt. Sorry, in third attempt, and I continued. But what happened in final was that I was when I was in Indore for my coaching. At that point of time, I came to one of the incidents whereby the I had read one book. The book is name of the book is The Power of Subconscious Mind. I read this book along with my CS studies before exam, and the power of that book was so magnificent uh, that I was really able to conclude that CA final is not difficult. I can clear that. And at that time, problem was severe because my father also in severe medical treatment, and I was not able to even think कि मैं क्या करूँ, क्या कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था। एक अटेम्प्ट में फाइनल का दे चुका था पहले से, and the second attempt was that I had decided that this is the last attempt I am giving. And क्या हुआ था कि वो बुक का पावर था, and along with the coaching which I have taken, and I mean, I would really quote that preparation was the key, because I was prepared to fight the exams. I was prepared that much to confident that I can clear the exams. So that came by reading some books, and all by preparing myself enough regarding the CA final course that I can clear it. So that preparation gave me the confidence at that point of time, and I was really, you will be surprised, and all the people here will be surprised that after the exams, I was continuously in my all nights, I was just seeing the marks, 400 marks. 400 marks I was seeing all the time since for continued 2 months after the CA final exams, and you will be amazed to see when the results came on 18th of June 2012. I just seen the result. I seen the marks of only first group. The score was 202. Then I seen the marks of second group. Score was 198, and the total marks were 400. So the power of book, the power of your dreams, the power of your preparation, hard work, all that came true, and it will come true uh, sooner or later. But you have to give your preparation a push little bit more, because the little bit difference can make a difference, can make a big difference.
Yes, what you spoke about the power of subconscious mind, that we can also relate it in the book The Secret. So what the energy you are throwing out in the universe will fall back to you, and as you dreamt of 400 marks, exactly you scored those marks. So yeah, after clearing CA, how was your journey? How did your life change in terms of your family matters or the outsiders, the relatives? Like how did your life change in after clearing CA?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जिस दिन रिजल्ट आया था उस दिन तो आंसू ही आ गए थे, एंड after that life was much better because of the if I compare and relate with my previous life was much cool, life was much silent, life was much relaxed compared to what I have seen earlier. And uh, do you want me to talk about after the all entire professional career okay. So after that, what happened that I went to many cities. Firstly, I also went to Mumbai. I have seen the Mumbai city after clearing my CA. First time I went into this city, and what I found that this city is not for me, and I am not for this city. So I went back to my hometown. Then after I thought that I had some contacts and tried to contact them and to find out some opportunities. So I went to Ahmedabad, where one of my distant relative who was also CA and CWA, who's working in one of the manufacturing plant over there. So I contacted him. The opportunity was there, and I joined this plant. So there I was working mainly in the reporting and costing and MIS kind of activities. After working for 2.5 years over there, uh, I joined HDFC Bank in Ahmedabad itself. The bank, which is leader in entire banking industry, which has taught me so many things, especially the real banking is going in this era, and the speed of work and the speed which you have to carry along with your knowledge. So that kind of experience was there in that bank. This bank has given me another opportunity where from by which I was able to got new opportunity in Bank of Maharashtra. I joined this bank in 2018 of Feb, and after I'm continuing here. Here the exposure is good. I mean, it is more of a social banking, project finance, and you are connecting with society. You have respect from society. So this kind of entire experience of mine till now in my career, and I'm really satisfied with the experience and exposure which I have received after clearing CA. I never thought all of this in my entire life, whether I would be working in these kind of organizations or companies.
Lokesh ji, one more question. Because of being specially abled, did you find any difficulties or rather challenges in your professional journey?
At I would say not on larger picture, maybe on some points which even I am not aware. Maybe people would be thinking that may be the scenario, uh, but I have not found any kind of loopholes or any kind of deficiencies which have which are weakening me or my working or hurting my working. So that I have never seen.
I'm talking from the perspective of did you find any difficulty in finding any getting any job or recruitment calls because of being specially able, any rejections in the
Okay.
professional field?
Okay, on this particular aspect, I would wanted to highlight one of the thing that we our category where the person is not able to see from one eye is always treated by central government norms as like the person who is having 30% disability. So we don't get any kind of reservation. So that is also one of the hurdles that we are continuously facing. I have faced also because being a disabled also being a disabled you are not getting any kind of benefit in government services. So this was the one of the point. And also if I talk about the private organizations, then uh, I found that uh, I worked in HDFC Bank, so they think twice before taking me in their team. But they found that I may continue and I can work from them with ease. So ultimately they took me. But definitely people little bit they uh, remain like whether to take or not. They remain in that kind of dilemma. I mean, people from other side think about this too much. Maybe
How was the role of your team members? So yeah, before we move ahead, I would like to request the audience if you have any specific questions which you want to ask directly to Lokesh bhai, you can post it in the question tab and we will unmute you so that you can talk to him. Yeah. So coming back to Lokesh bhai, any what like how would you discuss about your team members? What was their role in building your nature and caliber what you are today? So did they motivate you? Did they challenge you, or did they look down upon you?
I will find that they motivated me at initially, but after that you have to perform as per their expectation as well. So it is a situation where one is giving them, you have to also reciprocate the same thing. So firstly they may motivate you, they may hire you, they may enter you, they in their team, they may even support you as well, but you also have to perform as per their expectations. So this is a situation where uh, I mean it is beneficial for both of them because they don't think uh, uh, there will be any kind of work shortage or work deficiency is there or something like that. So in that scenario, you have to also perform there. So in that particular kind of event, both can justify their position or their decision.
So yeah, before we take up the concluding questions, I would like to request Virak Shah to take up some questions from his end.
Yes, thank you, Vishal bhai. And there is a wonderful journey, Lokesh bhai. We can hear from there is a pain also. There is a success also in the becoming chartered accountant, and after the job in the private sector, manufacturing sector, and now as a successful job in the banking sector. You have achieved so much of milestone. Would like to request, there is one message apart from Nandkishore Hegde sir talk about the millennium. Would like to request for CA students and presently who are CA of your age or any other age group. So what is your message for CA students and the CA as a whole community, CA profession?
स्पेशली स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बात करना चाहूंगा। पहले स्टूडेंट्स को एटलीस्ट मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि whatever the situation is, you have to be prepared for that particular situation, and preparation will always come with the efforts and involvement you put in that particular task or whatever the thing is. आपका अगर efforts या involvement उसके अंदर with your heart, with your body, with your soul, with your mind, if you are putting that much effort and you're giving your entire involvement, then the preparation will always come, and always have a strong willpower. Strong willpower will always take you to the new avenues, will always eventually make your plan in a reality. So स्टूडेंट्स को तो मैं यही बोलना चाहूंगा कि आप अपना सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, विल पावर ये सारा स्ट्रॉन्ग रखें, और ना हो सकता है अनसक्सेसफुल इवेंट्स भी ये देखने को मिले, नाकामयाबी देखने को मिले, आपको कठिनाइयां भी आ सकती है। दीज आर और ऑल पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ लाइफ, बट आप ये चीज को ना भूले, हिम्मत ना हारें और सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड रहें विथ एनी काइंड ऑफ थिंग। बहुत सारे लोग मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं, बुक्स मोटिवेट कर सकती है, इवेंट्स मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं, कोई हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट्स मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं, पास्ट मोटिवेट कर सकता है, या ऐसी चीजों से भी आप सराउंड रहें जहाँ से आप ये सब चीजों से मोटिवेट होकर कंटिन्यूअसली एफर्ट करते रहें। तो यही बोलना चाहूंगा विराट भाई।
जी जी जी, धन्यवाद, बहुत ही अच्छा। स्ट्रॉन्ग विल पावर से ही आप आगे बढ़ सकते हो। यही मैसेज है हमारे लोकेश जी का, आज के सुपर अचीवर का। बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आपकी जर्नी पूरा सुन के। आपको जो रिजेक्शन वगैरह मिला या आपको जो भी डिफिकल्टी हो रहा था, इवन आपने आपकी स्टोरी में शेयर किया कि आपको आपके फादर की तरफ से थोड़ा सा रिजेक्शन या थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्टी हुआ। सो आप एक सोसाइटी को क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगे?
सोसाइटी को ये मैसेज दूंगा कि आप थोड़ा सा एटलीस्ट टाइम दे अपने, अगर आप पेरेंट्स है तो आप अपने बच्चों को थोड़ा सा एटलीस्ट टाइम दे, थोड़ा सा उनको ये रखें कि आप एटलीस्ट कम से कम उनको उतना डिसेंट टाइम या उतना सफिशिएंट टाइम तो दें ताकि वो कुछ कर पाए। हाँ, स्ट्रिक्टनेस भी जरूरी है, जो विच आई ऑल्सो फील कि मेरे फादर ने इतना मेरे को अगर कहा था तो इट वॉज ऑल्सो eventually it was beneficial, because otherwise I may have been relaxed, I may have been under cushion, I may not have to be clear the CA in that much earlier time. तो स्ट्रिक्टनेस भी जरूरी है एंड आपको टाइम भी देना जरूरी है, बैलेंस बराबर बना के रखें, यही मैसेज देना चाहूंगा।
थैंक यू लोकेश भाई, बहुत ही अच्छा। कोई किसी ऑडियंस को कोई भी क्वेश्चन है तो वो पूछ सकते हैं, जस्ट पोस्ट इन द क्वेश्चन टैब, वी विल अनम्यूट देम। यस विकास भाई, आइए सर प्लीज। सर तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो ऑडियंस की तरफ से भी, हमारे एक खास एक्टिव मेंबर हितेश मर्चेंट जी है लाइन पे। हितेश जी, आप उनको सुन पा रहे हैं? हमने आपको अनम्यूट किया है, इफ यू वांट टू शेयर एनीथिंग। हितेश मर्चेंट जी बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्टिव रहते हैं प्रोफेशन में। हितेश भाई वो अभी सेल्फ म्यूटेड है, आई थिंक उनका आवाज नहीं आ पा रहा है।
Hitesh, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, I've done that.
Yes,
Good afternoon to all of you. Virag, Vishal,
Yes.
excellent work you all are doing. You are betting on the strikers side. I'm betting on the non-strikers end. I do reforms in my own way. Some of you are aware of it. Maybe I don't want to. I will never contest for elections because I believe it's not my cup of tea. To all in the council who are seniors, Mr. Hegde, with whom I have been lucky to work, He's also been a very good motivator, and I know him for more than 35 years. Before he became even a partner, as fresh years we worked together in CC Choksi. Lokesh ji, thank you very much for your story. I'm sure so many children, if they are listening to your episode, they will get a lot of motivation. It is very appropriate that Virag and his team are doing this wonderful series, and God bless them. That's all I can say. Because Lokesh ji, आपकी भी कहानी बहुत अच्छी थी. I'm sure बहुत बच्चों को इससे लाभ मिलेगा, और continue to do your good work. God takes care of everybody. Remember that. I can share a little bit of your story. I can identify myself with your story. I was also not fortunate to get similar support from my father, who was also a family businessman. We had 4 businesses and my father was unhappy. But my mother, and she propelled me to work and get my independent degree, and I'm very happy about it. I may not have been an achiever, and as Mr. Hegde says, we are all ordinary human beings, but we are all bind by the same institute, the same ethics, the same gurus, the same mentors, the same elders in the profession. And I wish that elders now, at least in the central council, they are working, but they have to work much more. You know, we are seeing a tremendous change in the society, in what the expectation of our shareholders and stakeholders, our own members, our students, our institute employees, okay, our seniors and juniors. And I'm trying my best to identify with some of these things, just as you are, Lokesh ji. आपकी कहानी में काफी कुछ दिलचस्पी है, और मैं फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में थोड़ा बहुत काम करता हूँ. आई एम नाउ प्लानिंग टू चेंज माय प्रोफेशन आफ्टर अ फ्यू इयर्स. आई विल राइट success stories, and there is also a very, very important website which I would like to share with all of you. I think at least the participants of this program should know about this. It is, I will share the link with Virag bhai. It is the CA success story करके एक वेबसाइट है. ओके, गूगल सर्च करेंगे आपको मिलेगा, और इसमें काफी अनगिनत सीएस हैं जिनका कोई लोग पहचानते नहीं है. उनको भी मौका दीजिए, उनको भी बुलाइए, and I'm sure we can create a very positive environment. You can create a lot of there are so like Dhirubhai Ambani has said in when he got his lifetime achievement award in Taj Hotel along with Amul chief honcho Kurian साहब. धीरूभाई अंबानी को जब लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड ताज में दिया था, तभी धीरूभाई अंबानी ने एक बोला था, वो मेरे मगज में एम्बेड हो गया है. इट मस्ट बी डोंकी इयर्स बैक, बट ही सेड दिस वेरी गोल्डन वर्ड्स कि इंडिया इज अ वंडरफुल कंट्री. आई वांट टू सी 1000 Dhirubhai Ambanis. Okay, that was the man's vision, and that was so many years back. I think 25 years back or so, I'm saying. So each of us are our own success stories. Indians are a very, very powerful, very resilient people, and especially with a lot of success stories are coming from Rajasthan, and I'm very proud about it. I identify myself with Rajasthan, though I may have been born in from my hometown is Dwarka, but yes, my main DT is Srinath Dwara, Udaipur ke paas. There is a lot of things that we have to learn from our past so that we can carry the legacy. We can twist it, tweak it, tune it, fine tune it for the future. Lokesh ji, आपसे सुन के आपसे मिल के बहुत अच्छा लगा. God bless you. You are doing wonderful. You will continue to reach success.
Thank you
Viraj.
सर. एक और बात कहना चाहूंगा. There is one actor in South industry who is Rana Daggubatti, who has played a role of villain in historical movie Bahubali, who is who cannot see from his one eye, who has played a role of Ballal Dev. All Indians who I might be aware about this. And there is a singer, famous singer, Mr. Ravinderji Jain, who is blind from his both eyes.
Yes. No. I believe very clearly. If you have amongst a lot of other people, you have also used your what they call disability, but I don't think it's a disability. God gives everybody in different ways. God is so kind. He takes care of all his creations. You know, unfortunately, we humans are the ones who divide and rule. You know, God takes care of everybody. You know.
That I came to know with experience, because initially ऐसा लगता था कि बहुत गलत हुआ है, बहुत सारा मेरे साथ ही क्यों हुआ. In that category I shifted myself कि मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ. But after the elapsing of time and जैसे समय निकला, उसके बाद ये लगा कि नहीं, God sees everything. वैसा.
Yes. You have to be always optimistic in life. And I've also gone through my own success and failure stories. I would not want to share them on today, because I'm not, today is your day, sir. But I, some people who know me, very close friends who are also not necessarily all Central Council members like Hegde Saab, but those who know me for more than 50 years now, uh, they know my stories and they know it in and out. So I'm grateful to them for giving me support, as you have got support from your friends, your social society, your maternal side, your CAs, your elders. And it's only when we create a positive environment. But at the same time, it's like, you have to be very, very positive, but at the same time, that is one part on an individual level. But on a societal level, we also have to take up social issues or causes wherein we stop the tirade of these wrong things that are happening. We have to do it in a very polite and very courteous way. I mean, I'm very clear about it, because only playing positive will not help. You have to also stop the negative. Then only the bridge between the bad and the good will increase. We will be able to eliminate the bad in the society. A lot of wrong things are happening, not just in our society, but also probably, in my opinion, also in our profession. But I would not like to talk negative here today. No, that's not the day for discussing when we are discussing such a wonderful positive story of yours. But I am in my own way trying to do something. I'm not trying to be insultive of anybody. I don't want to make any personal issues, but both things are important in life. Not only the negative has to be reduced. Yes, the positive contribution is very, very important, but parallelly with that alone will not help. For the society to grow, you need both. Maybe what proportion you need over a period of time, that will change. But yes, I'm grateful to you, Virag bhai, Vishal bhai, and also Lokesh ji. Vikas Jain ji, Ahmedabad, also has been in touch with me on and off on my own personal chats. Nandu sir is like a very great person, and as somebody rightly said, very humble person, the most humble person in the Central Council. Not because I don't know other Central Council members, but yes, I know him. He is a very humble person, and rightly said Vikas ji. And I wish more such people who don't have self-interest and who believe in generally giving good to the profession. I'm seeing that. I'm lucky to be coordinating with a lot of regional council members, first-time CAs from all regions. They talk to me, they speak to me, and we come to know a lot of things what the younger generation wants. And it's time, I believe, now at age of 57 to pass the baton. I'm confident that you all are doing a wonderful job. I will not take more time. Thank you very much, Virag. God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you, Hitesh bhai. Thank you for encouraging words. And we'll definitely take other success story also in the future. At present, our focus
I
is
will be
only
always there
on
on this
the
program. On any webinar,
yes,
I may not be there, but your programs on this success story, I will always be there. Be assured.
Thank you,
yes, sir.
sir.
Yes,
Thank
sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And we'll take another as your suggestion. Are there other success story we can take like? But our as present our focus is on super achiever through Atma River. We are featuring hidden gems of our profession. So we'll
Right.
particularly focus on that area at present. In future, we will see how we can take other success story as well. So thank you so much
Right.
for your kind words, Hitesh bhai. Thank you,
No. I'm just doing.
Lokesh bhai,
I'm
for
a
sharing
small
your
drop in
story.
the ocean. I'm not doing the real big work, sir. मैं तो बहुत छोटा बूंद हूँ. अच्छा काम और बड़ा काम तो आप लोग कर रहे हो, विशाल जी, विराग जी, all these super achievers, silent gems in the profession. And I'm very proud of my profession now. When I see this, it gives a lot of positivity in me. And though I may be talking so often negative things, but yes, this hope that you are giving will continue to ensure that the profession will reach back its lost glory. I'm very sure about it. Very sure.
Thank you so much, Hitesh ji. We are aware that you are very much active member of in our profession, and continuously you are striving for the betterment of profession. We are glad that you are here on our platform. And yeah, so Viraksha, we can take some few more questions.
If possible, we can take. There are a few questions there then.
So we have our past super achiever Bhushan Toshniwal ji, who has said that Lokesh, your sincere efforts, strong willpower are appreciable. We
Yes.
also have Yukta Shinde, who is saying that Lokesh sir, this is a very inspiring story, and thank you very much for sharing it with us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. So I think with this we can conclude this session, and we can thank you Vikas bhai for joining despite of
And
all difficulties of the
and staying to the
camera
end.
and other technical. Saril joined by camera also. Otherwise, he
आज
planned
तो
to join from
आज
mobile.
तो
We are very
लोकेश भाई थे
thankful to
तो
Vikas bhai.
क्वेश्चन नहीं था, आना ही था, whatever it is. And Virak bhai, he told me yesterday only, even today morning I said कि I will not be able to join using camera, I'll come by mobile only. So this is also an interesting story. I'll take 1 minute only. Virak bhai is aware of, सुबह क्या हुआ, घर पे लैपटॉप है बट उसका वेबकैम खराब हो गया, कंप्यूटर है तो वो उसके वायरस आ गया या कुछ आ गया तो वो चल नहीं रहा था, एडिशनल वेबकैम है तो लैपटॉप के अंदर यूएसबी पोर्ट नहीं था, फिर ऑफिस बहुत पास में बट ऑफिस का चाबी है या नहीं वही ढूंढ रहा था और 3-4 चाबी अलग अलग लेके आया और एज द लक वुड हैव गॉन कि पहली चाबी लगाते ही खुल गई ऑफिस और आई एम एबल टू जॉइन यूजिंग दिस वेबकैम. So and this was all because of the Virak bhai, I would say कि this consistent follow up and all this. And Lokesh bhai थे तो I was also very much inclined कि मुझे कैसे भी करके पहुंचना तो है ही है वेबकैम के थ्रू. So it's great to have you. And this side of your story I have come across for the first time. And yes, it's a great motivation and there should be positivity all around. People normally stops because of some reason or other. लेकिन अगर हम लोग, just as you rightly said, the power of subconscious mind and some such kind good books. So whatever garbage in, garbage out. If we take in inputs, the worst things or the bad things, then the worst will only come out. So if we can get the creative things, good inputs in our mind, in our heart, in our soul, for sure the best things will come out for all of us. Thank you and well, all the best, Lokesh bhai.
एट द एंड विराट भाई, एक दो पंक्तियां बोलना चाहूंगा व्यूअर्स के लिए. विश्वास की एक सम्माद जलाए रखिए, सुबह जरूर होगी, हौसला बनाए रखिए, माहौल बनाए रखिए.
बहुत ही अच्छा. हम आपके जज्बे को सलाम करते हैं और आपके माता पिता और आपके सारे साथी, आपके कजिन्स, आपके भाई बहन, सबको हम बहुत ही सलाम करते हैं कि जिनके साथ रह के आप बहुत ही अच्छे से आज सक्सेसफुल चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बने हो. आपको बहुत ही अच्छी कॉर्पोरेट जॉब है और उसमें बहुत अच्छे से आगे बढ़ रहे हो. हम भविष्य में भी आपका इंटरव्यू करना चाहेंगे. आप बहुत अच्छे से लेवल पे, आप ऑब्वियसली आप अभी भी हो लेकिन और बड़े लेवल पे जाओगे. हम आपको और कहीं बार बुलाना चाहेंगे, मिलना चाहेंगे पर्सनली. अभी तो वर्चुअली मिल रहे लोगों से. सो थैंक यू सो मच लोकेश जी एंड थैंक यू विशाल भाई, ऑलवेज सपोर्टिव and handling most of the work for the super achiever work, because I am busy in the other aspects, so he's handling entire thing very nicely and helping each and everybody. So thank you Vishal bhai once again. So I think we can log off this and we'll meet next Sunday with one more story, with one more new super achiever, true Atmanirbhar of our profession. So thank you so much all for joining.
थैंक यू विशाल भाई, विशाल भाई एंड विकास सर.